Hi, hello guys, welcome to Incredible Trader YouTube channel. Today we will know about India's fastest emerging sector, that is solar energy. And solar energy sector in India offers potentially enormous investment to investors. So let's see best solar energy stocks to buy in India for 2021. And the classification, the shares are classified into two types. First one is manufacturing. The shares related to photovoltaic cells manufacturing companies, glass manufacturing company which are related to solar panels and solar components. Coming to second classification, the shares are related to production and distribution of solar energy. All share prices will be recorded as on 29th March 2021 and all revenues will be recorded on December 2020. The first one is Adani Green Energy. Share price stands at 1212 rupees and 52-week low, the share fallen up to 141 rupees. Coming to 52-week high, the share rose to 1340 rupees and face value of share is 10 rupees. And total market cap of company is 1,89,613 crores. Revenue of company is 842 crores. And profit after tax is 43 crores 76 lakhs. And basic EPS, earning per share is 0.12. And shareholding pattern of the company is promoters hold 74.92% and FII, foreign institutional investors, hold 22.78% and DIIs, domestic institutional investors, hold 0.31% and others hold 1.99%. Return on investment for 1 year is 697%. Second one, Sterling and Wilson Solar Limited. Share price stands at 249 rupees 95 paisa. Coming to 52-week low, share fallen up to 69 rupees 70 paisa. Coming to 52-week high, share rose to 326 rupees. The face value of share is 1 rupee. The market cap of company is 3,965 crores. And total revenue of company is, as on December 2020, is 1,347 crores. And profit after tax is 21 crores 63 lakhs. And basic EPS is 1.35. Coming to the shareholding pattern, promoters hold 75.35% and FII hold 6.60% and DII hold 2.80% and others hold 15.25%. And return on investment for 1 year is 207%. And third one is Borosil Renewables. This share is related to glass manufacturing for solar panels. It is a one and only one company in India which manufactures glass for solar panels. The share price is 244 rupees. Coming to 52-week low, the share fallen up to 28 rupees. Coming to 52-week high, the share rose to 324 rupees. Face value of share is 1 rupee. And total market cap of company is 3,180 crores. And total revenue of company is 270 crores. And profit after tax is 19 crores 11 lakhs. And basic EPS is 2.06. Coming to the shareholding pattern, promoters hold 61.89% and FIIs hold 8.79% and DIIs hold 2.41%. and others hold 26.91%. Return on investment for 1 year is 628%. The fourth one, Select Energy Systems. The share price is 202 rupees. Coming to 52-week low, the share fallen up to 56 rupees 70 paisa. Coming to 52-week high, the share rose to 234 rupees and face value of share is 10 rupees. And total market cap of company is 305 crores and total revenue of company is, as on December 2020, is 67 crores 82 lakhs. Profit after tax is 8 crores 91 lakhs and basic EPS is 10.31. Coming to the shareholding pattern of the companies, promoters hold 56.37%, FIIs hold 0%, and DII hold 0.02%, and others hold 43.61%. Coming to return on investment for 1 year is 220%. Coming to NTPC, NTPC is a public sector company which produces energy from thermal sources. Presently, now it's shifting to the solar energy projects. Share price stands at 104 rupees. Coming to 52-week low, the share fallen up to 76 rupees 40 paisa. Coming to 52-week high, the share rose to 114 rupees. Coming to face value of share is 10 rupees. And total market cap of company is 1,942 crores. Total revenue of company is 26,794 crores. And profit after tax is 2,890 crores. And the basic EPS is 11.96. Coming to the shareholding pattern, promoters hold 51.10%, and FIIs hold 12.32%, and DII holds 33.45%, and others hold 3.13%. And return on investment for 1 year is 30.82%. Coming to the Tata Power, the share price is 103 rupees 45 paisa. Coming to the 52-week low, the share fallen up to 27 rupees. Coming to 52-week high, the share rose to 114 rupees. Then the face value of share is 1 rupee. And total market cap of company is 33,055.79 crores. And total revenue of company is 7,702 crores. And profit after tax is 248 crores. And basic EPS is 0.65. And coming to the shareholding pattern of the company is promoters hold 46.86%, FIIs hold 12.44%, DII holds 23.73%, and others hold 16.97%. And return on investment for 1 year is 193%. Coming to Adani Power, the share price stands at 94 rupees 20 paisa. Coming to 52-week low, the share fallen up to 25 rupees 55 paisa. And coming to 52-week high, the share rose to 108 rupees 70 paisa. And the face value of share is 10 rupees. And total market cap of company is 36,332 crores. And total revenue of company is 7,099 crores. And profit after tax is minus 288 crores, which is loss of 288 crores. And the basic EPS is minus 1.63. Coming to the shareholding pattern of companies, promoters hold 74.97%, and FIIs hold 17.32%, and DIIs hold 1.56%, and others hold 6.15%. And the return on investment for 1 year is 212%. JSW Energy. Share price stands at 87 rupees 50 paisa. Coming to 52-week low, share fallen up to 38 rupees. Coming to 52-week high, the share was 92 rupees 40 paisa. And face value of share is 10 rupees. And the total market cap of company is 14,349 crores. And revenue of company is 1,659 crores. And profit after tax is 123 crores. And basic EPS is 0.75. Coming to the shareholding pattern of company, promoters hold 74.87%, and FIIs hold 6%, DII hold 6.89%, and others hold 12.24%. And the return on investment for 1 year is 90.22%. Coming to the VA Solar, it is listed only on BSE. Please remember that it is listed on BSE only. The share price stands at 88 rupees. Coming to 52-week low, the share fallen up to 15 rupees 35 paisa. And coming to the 52-week high, the share rose to 105 rupees. And face value of share is 10 rupees. and total market cap of companies 58 crores 37 lakhs, and total revenue of companies 69.60 crores. Profit after tax is 11 crores 12 lakhs. Basic EPS is 16.77. And coming to the shareholding pattern of company is promoters hold 69.85%, FIIs hold 0%, DIIs hold 0%, and others hold 30.15%. Return on investment for 1 year is 451%. Coming to the NLC, this is the public sector company which produces energy from fossil fuels, and presently NLC is shifted to the solar projects. Recently NLC and Coal India started investment in solar projects. The share price stands at 49 rupees. Coming to 52-week low, the share fallen to 38 rupees 90 paisa. Coming to 52-week high, the share rose to 59 rupees 80 paisa, and face value of share is 10 rupees, and total market cap of company is 6,808 crores, and total revenue of company is 2,623 crores, and profit after tax is 171 crores 18 lakhs, and the basic EPS is 1.32. Coming to the shareholding pattern of companies, promoters hold 79.20%, FIIs hold 0.42%, and DIIs hold 10.91%, and others hold 9.47%. Return on investment for 1 year is 23.83%. Coming to the Websol Energy System, the share price stands at 42 rupees 35 paisa. Coming to 52-week low, the share fallen up to 11 rupees 50 paisa, and coming to 52-week high, the share rose to 51 rupees, and the face value of share is 10 rupees, and total market cap of companies 131 crores 89 lakhs, and total revenue of companies 53 crores 63 lakhs, and profit after tax is 49 crores 26 lakhs. The basic EPS is 17.53. Coming to the shareholding pattern of companies, promoters hold 25.39%, and FIIs 9.19%, and DIIs hold 0.02%, and others hold 65.40%. Return on investment for 1 year is 213%. Coming to the Surana Solar, the share price stands at 9 rupees 25 paisa. Coming to 52-week low, share fallen up to 4 rupees 95 paisa, and coming to 52-week high, the share rose to 14 rupees 70 paisa, and face value of share is 5 rupees, and total market cap of company is 45.02 crores, and revenue of company is 3.67 crores, and profit after tax is 0.08 crores, which is 8 lakhs. Basic EPS is 0.02. Coming to the shareholding pattern of companies, promoters hold 69.78%, FIIs hold 0%, DII hold 0.04%, and others hold 30.18%. Return on investment for 1 year is 63%. Coming to Veer Energy and Infrastructure, the share price stands at 8 rupees 34 paisa, and coming to 52-week low, the share fallen to 5 rupees 15 paisa. Coming to 52-week high, the share rose to 14 rupees 40 paisa, and face value of share is 10 rupees, and total market cap of company is 9 crores 63 lakhs. Total revenue of company is 1.56 crores, and profit after tax is minus 0.04 crores, which is 4 lakhs. Loss of 4 lakhs. Basic EPS is minus 0.04. The shareholding pattern of companies, promoters hold 30.63%, FIIs hold 4.22%, and DIIs hold 0%, and others hold 65.15%. Return on investment for 1 year is 39%. Coming to Urja Global, the share price stands at 6 rupees 45 paisa. Coming to 52-week low, the share fallen up to 86 paisa. Coming to 52-week high, the share rose to 9 rupees 35 paisa. The face value of share is 1 rupee, and total market cap of company is 360 crores, and revenue of company is 39.42 crores and profit after tax is 0.51 crores, which is 51 lakhs, and basic EPS is 0.01. Coming to the shareholding pattern, the promoters hold 31.55% and FIIs hold 0.47% and DIIs hold 0.01% and others hold 67.97%. Return on investment for 1 year is 578%. Coming to the Suzlon, it's a wind turbine and solar panel manufacturing company. The share price stands at 5 rupees 50 paisa. Coming to 52-week low, the share fallen up to 1 rupee 70 paisa. Coming to 52-week high, the share rose to 8 rupees 45 paisa and face value of share is 2 rupees and total market cap of company is 4,558 crores and revenue of company is 959 crores and profit after tax is minus 117 crores, which is loss of 117 crores and basic EPS is minus 0.14. Coming to the shareholding pattern of companies, promoters hold 17.46%, FIIs hold 6.21% and DIIs hold 14.11% and others hold 62.22%. And return on investment for 1 year is 205%. Coming to the Urjas Energy, the share price stands at 2 rupees 55 paisa. Coming to 52-week low, the share fallen up to 2 rupees 15 paisa. Coming to 52-week high, the share rose to 9 rupees 95 paisa and the face value of share is 1 rupee and the total market cap of company is 73.11 crores and total revenue of company is 6.63 crores and profit after tax is minus 5.41 crores, which is loss of 5 crores 41 lakhs and the basic EPS is minus 0.27. Coming to the shareholding pattern, promoters hold 0.01% and FIIs hold 0.01% and DIIs hold 0% and others hold 99.98%. As on 30 September 2020, promoters hold 30% of company shares, but as on 30 December, promoters sold out all their shares and hold only 0.1%. And return on investment for 1 year is 8.51%. Coming to the Indosolar, the share price stands at 2 rupees 10 paisa and 52-week low is 35 paisa and 52-week high is 3 rupees 15 paisa and face value of share is 10 rupees and total market cap of company is 78.13 crore and total revenue of company is 0.31 crores, which is 31 lakhs and profit after tax is minus 1.82 crores, which is loss of 1 crore 82 lakhs and basic EPS is minus 0.05. Coming to the shareholding pattern of companies, promoters hold 56.90%, FIIs hold 0% and DIIs hold 1.31% and others hold 41.79% and return on investment for 1 year is 366%. Coming to the Euro Multivision, it says photovoltaic cell manufacturing company. The share price stands at 1 rupee 15 paisa. Coming to 52-week low, the share fallen up to 1 rupee 15 paisa. Coming to 52-week high, the share rose to 2 rupees and face value of share is 10 rupees and total market cap of companies 4.64 crores and total revenue is 0.04 crores, which is 4 lakhs and profit after tax is minus 3.60 crores, which is loss of 3 crores 60 lakhs and basic EPS is minus 1.51. Coming to the shareholding pattern of company, the promoters hold 47.01%, FIIs hold 0%, DIIs hold 0% and others hold 52.99%. Return on investment for 1 year is 187%. These are the shares listed in BSE and NSE related to the solar energy sector. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.